collapsed, but it turns out to be a large lid that has collapsed. This is an older tank, so the concern is the whole tank could be compromised, but the customer does want to proceed and just put a new lid on it. So that's what we're going to attempt to do, but I would not recommend this. I would get a new tank in this case. So this is the lid. It does have a riser port built in, which is this, which will make it easier to service in the future. But it weighs about 300 pounds, so I've got my mini excavator and we're going to lift it and put it in place. I wasn't sure if my little excavator was going to be able to lift that thing, but I got it off, so now I just got to move it over here. So I've got to pick this up from the long end. No way to pick it up from the short end with my little excavator. I pick it up long end. Install it short end as I am now. So I'm going to have to come over here, but I do not want to get on this tank because any of it could collapse. So these flags indicate where the edge of the tank is. So I'm going to have to reach over. This is a little scary. Alright, I'm getting it in position. I think it might be a little bit wide. Alright, I've got to build the riser on top of it, and I still don't trust this thing. I got to stand on that. Okay, it hasn't killed me yet. Just got to bury it back. Not enough dirt here, but we'll cover what we can. We'll be done. They didn't have enough dirt to cover the hole, but we'll put as much in there as we possibly can.